Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is the monthly chart I made in December 2022. And according to this Elliott Wave count, so big wave 3, big wave 4, and then wave 5 was unfolding, making this wave 1, 2, 3, and then ABC 4 and wave 5. So we were supposed to be going to the upside for wave 5 of wave 5, right? So this is a monthly chart. Similarly, I made the same time I made the weekly chart as well, and this is how it is. This is just showing that the wave 5 of wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and this will be wave 5 of this wave. This is going to be this one, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this wave 5. And this wave 5, it already started, right? So from here to here, I'm going to miss the whole year of 2023 because I made a lot of charts, and then, I'm just going to skip that. And then, this started to go like wave 1, 2, and wave 3 is underway. Because wave 5 will also have 5 subwaves like this one, for example. So this is wave 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is monthly chart again, by the way, right? So this is the monthly chart I made on March 2022 that this already went up, came down, this wave 1 and 2 on a weekly chart, and then going powerfully to the upside for wave 3, and then followed by wave 4, wave 5. So now look at this on a weekly chart. This wave 1, 2 blue count is like this black count. Well, what the heck happened? Okay, so this went all the way up there, right? You see that? I made the chart that's going to go up, and then it did, right? Then I made the weekly chart is this. That blue count there, 1, 2, this is wave 1, 2. Now this wave 3, this is this one, right? This is unfolding like this. Wave 1, 2, 3, and then we are making wave 4 right now, and then it will go up for wave 5, and that will be the end of wave 3, followed by wave 4, wave 5. So this is the current, not the current, but I made it on the 25th of May, and the current is this, exactly. It came down a little bit more, as I said. Now, I also made this the daily chart, right, on May 25th, I guess, showing that what is cooking here on a daily chart is more clear. So here's the daily chart on the May 25th. I made that this is what's happening. It's wave 1, 2, 3. Then it's going to be A, B, C. A little bit below A, it will finish up as wave 4, then wave 5, blue count. And then that would be end of wave 3, followed by wave 4 to the downside. So far, this one, it did what it did. It this first on the 7th June. And as of today, it went up a little bit more and then started to come down again. And as of today, this is what I just recorded the chart. Right. So gold, no, so it came down a little bit below this, but it's still not below A so far, right? And my count is like, yeah, okay, it may be going down a little bit more below this, maybe touching the this channel TL and then bounce from there, right? Who knows? So let's see. But so far, so good. My wave 4 count is correct, and it is coming for that. And today we had earlier we had an NFP, but then today we have CPI that made the dollar weaker, and and after that a couple hours later we had today and FOMC, right? And now the FOMC, after FOMC, what I see is that our dollars start to gain strength again. So it's very, very mixed and confusing situation right now. What the heck is going to happen to the dollar, and if it is gonna get, I think that it's getting strong, right? And with that, yes, we can come down here a little bit more, right? So now this is what's cooking here on a smaller time frame. Is this? This is like a harmonic pattern and Fib mumbo jumbo on a smaller time frame for a daily basis and for the daily trading. All right, so this usually what happens. You have a nice move to the downside, then it retraces to 50%, then it drops to this 23% line. And what happened usually, this diagram is telling you, this is what I teach in my webinar and my one-on-one as well, that this is a very critical point, right? This is make it or break it kind of thing, the point C at 23% line of the same fib. Now, if it can drop and then do this if it need to go to the downside, right? In my case, my count is showing that we need to go to the downside a little bit more. So maybe it need to drop from here, right? So this 2315 daily low is the line, and then 23% line. So if we need to go down below, and then I find my entry, which I am finding right now as of here. What the heck? Okay, no, here, the 20-minute chart, you can see how nicely, beautifully it is bearish. I missed this entry. I don't know if I miss all of them, by the way, but my son, he's trading gold diligently. So either he has this one or this one, I don't know. But one of the entries he got already short because it's bearish right now, right? So yeah, I'm going to try that. And if not, if it goes up, then, we will look for long entry, right? Just like this one, long entry, and go with that. So for right now, it is bearish and it's dropping. So let's see, like I said, that if we can stay below this and drop, then we will drop to maybe 2277 or lower, right? And then finish my wave 4 of this count. Which count? This one. And then go up, or maybe we'll go from here to the upside. If we go above 23, stay above 23% line and stay above 2315. And if I find my long setup, definitely I'll take it. Right? So this is how the gold is behaving right now. So trade accordingly, manage yourself accordingly, and I'm prepared. And it doesn't matter from now on that, it's like either it's going to go up or down. I will be with that, right? With my system, with my setup, my setup. If I find the setup in my system, then yeah, I'll take it. If not, then I don't take the trade. Simple as that. I leave it on the market that, show me the direction, then I'll, get behind you. That's it. All right. So this is it for now. So gold, today is going to be, the last day of, I would say last day, because Friday I don't even count, because Friday is always like very tricky. So Thursday is always the biggest day, the most momentous day, and we might move big time because NFE is out of the way, FOMC is out of the way today, and let's see how dollar is going to behave and where the gold is going to go, above or below 2315. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I may make a video about oil after this, and I'll send out. And this video, obviously, I'm making for my subscriber, but I will make it public, no problem. And some of you may, get interest in this system. Then, get go to my website right here, right? If you are interested, and if you want to get the system or learn more, then you can come here. You have all these Elliott Wave course, or Hermione Parent course, or one-on-one coaching, monthly. So everything is available here. See, what is your level and how much you want to learn and what you want to learn. Then you can, sign up and then start doing it. And by the way, this is my son, Omar. He do all these mumbo-jumbos, right? So he posts here this free Telegram trial. So yeah, so if you want to join my Telegram just to see how we trade or post over there, then just follow this, start trial, click this button, and then follow the steps, and that's it. All right, so this is it for now. Get ready for tonight and today, not tonight or tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, 2 more days, right? So let's see. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading days. Where do I close it? I need to close.